Welcome to my channel, and so we're gonna get some wool again. Now, how do we get wool? I've tried many videos. I tried this in many videos. I tried this in 2 videos, and yet I cannot get anything. I cannot get any wool no matter what. What do we do now? So now how are we gonna do this? Okay, so if we're gonna do this, then please just help me. Now how are we gonna do this? Okay, so let's make a furnace, and I don't have enough materials. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I think that's enough, and let's go back up. Now how do we get back up again? Now we can just do this. Actually, yeah, we can just get out like this. And there we go. Now let's just patch this up. Bam, bam, bam. And now we're just gonna craft. There we go. And now we made one furnace. Okay, so now let's add the furnace here. And yes, we have a furnace. But we still don't have a bed. Can anybody tell me how do I get sheep here? Please, just help me find some sheep. If you will see any sheep in the video, then let me know. And I'll go to those places yet again, and after that I'm gonna find those sheep to make a bed, then end this compilation. So if you see any of that, then just tell me. Okay? And so that's it. Why did I just make this? Okay, never mind. Okay, so guys, I'll see you later. Okay, so guys, I'll see you later, and bye-bye.